Hi, I'm Kevin Metzger, and this is 5 on AI. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, and in today's episode, we'll cover Video Insights plugin for ChatGPT. So, as of right now, ChatGPT and other large language models cannot actively process videos on the web as input. There is a plugin, however, that will make you feel like ChatGPT is watching the video and giving you information on that video when asked. I've used this tool after watching videos to get a quick written summary of what was in the video, and just recently used it to update some of my own video descriptions on one of my other YouTube channels. So now I'm going to take a minute and dive into this tool and look at how it's working with you and review a few prompts we can use to get the summary and then refine its writing so that you can get a YouTube description of an already posted video. Then I'm going to show you some of the potential limitations of the tool as well. So let's go over here, and you can see I've got a new chat up. And so we're going to check GPT-4, and we want to choose the plugins. And so I go to plugins, and you can see underneath, I don't know that I've reviewed this before, and if you're new to what plugins are, you can add a bunch of plugins. I've already got a bunch enabled, and there's more out there in the plugin store. I know I talked a little bit about using Expedia and Kayak earlier this week, but for this video, like I said, we've got Video Insights plugin enabled, and then the prompt is pretty simple, and it's please provide a summary of the video, and I give it a video. So then if we click on that, it'll take a minute, and then it's going to actually use the Video Insights plugin and then start generating a summary. And I want to take a second while it's generating the summary. I'm going to come in here and talk about what the tool is doing. So one of the neat things, if you haven't seen this before, is there's this drop down that shows you what happened or what the tool basically did as part of this request, and it shows you the information it brought back to ChatGPT. So it took the video ID and went out and made the request, and then to Video Insights, and then Video Insights processed that video request and went out and grabbed really what I'm going to call is metadata. I think this summary is coming, it may be coming from Video Insights directly, or it may be coming from YouTube. I haven't tested this on another site, but at any rate, it gives a quick summary of the video. Then it also pulls back information, the metadata that I put in on the video, which was my mom's story and a description of the video. And then it's also the date it's published, any tags associated, license information, whether it was made for kids, duration, all this information comes back. And then it comes and writes a pretty good and thorough review of the video that I have published. I don't know that this summary always works. And I don't know how it's generated. I don't know if it's, again, I don't know if it's generated via YouTube or via Video Insights. I might have to try and get some more information on that. But what I have noticed is I wanted to try and do this test on another video that I had just put up, and I hadn't put a description in. I wanted to generate the description for that video from this. And 24 hours later, and I'm just going to go into this, you can see it here. Well, I don't think that's the current one. Yeah, that's the current video. At any rate, it's still giving me, if I put that video in here, it's giving me an error basically saying that summary is being written in progress. So now I did want to show you, can you write a YouTube description for this video? and it will take the information that it's gathered plus what it wrote and kind of rewrite it. And I like the positioning that it gave, and it's a heartfelt episode. We delve into the personal experience and reflections of our beloved mom, which, yeah, well, honestly, that the fact that it used that wording moves me a little bit. It almost surprises me a little bit, but I guess it means I'm doing a decent job of communicating that. And this story that I am publishing on mamamstory.com and mamamstory over on YouTube is my grandmother's story of surviving the Holocaust. So at any rate, these are some of the ways I've used this tool, and I'm interested. What do you think? What are some other ways that you might have used it, or might be using it, or might think to use it? Leave that in the comments. And that's today's 5 on AI. I hope you've enjoyed this content. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Please note, all content is produced by me, Kevin Metzger, in collaboration with these AI tools.